Well, I've never done this on a hoist before.
Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we scrounged around. We found a couple of bushings. We went and got some bolts and some lock nuts because we're running low. We got grade 5s again because grade 5s bend a little bit before they break. I've tried grade 8s. They break almost instantly.
First, we gotta take the upper one off.
I know it seems to you I go through a lot of these shackle bolts, but I did on this last event, but I don't go through them that often. The reason I did on this last event is because my spring bushings were getting really bad. So by putting the spring bushings in, we shouldn't be going through shackle bolts quite as often again.
And when they get bent a little bit,
They get a little harder to take apart. Oh, see how that one's bent? Right there? That would have been a grade 8, would have been broken. Hey, what do you got there? Oh, that's one of my bushings. One of the old ones. You can have it.
oh, gotta go up a little bit. That's one down.
Okay.
Put this one in.
Gotta put the bolt head on this side because we need all the clearance we can for the headers. Now we gotta raise it up. When we're out on the trail, we actually set it down. Oh. There we go. Now we won't be going through those quite as fast. Well, that's about it for today. We'll be right back tomorrow. What are we gonna do with that? Well, it is now tomorrow, and what do we got to do to the wrecker? Well, we got to get it off of the hoist because my mom needs her oil changed in the Jeep Cherokee. So, what does that mean? That means we got to change that rear U-joint before we get it off of the hoist. Oh, boy, this Harbor Freight table's nice. No needles left in those caps. Okay. In case you're wondering what this tool is, I'm going to date myself here a little bit. It was originally an OTC anchor pin press. But since then, they've developed lots of uses for it. And you can find variations of this and all kinds of things like ball joint presses and bushing presses. But I've found that this one works really good for U-joints. Okay, now I have a U-joint here. Let's hope it's the right one. External snap rings. Looks like it's the right size. There we go. Okay, we're not done yet, because it is too tight to move. I don't know if they have to deal with mud like this in the Southwest, but we sure do here.
Gotta phase the U-joints correctly.
Well, that's done. Jimmy likes to be under the truck. No? All right, well, we still haven't done the belts, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff we got to do. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods. You want to go outside? Yeah? Yeah? You want to go outside? Okay.